Today, here in Toronto, we are about to announce the 4 finalist teams that represent our best hope for solving the algae crisis that is choking waterways worldwide.
So exciting, can't wait. I'm on pins and needles. It's been a lot of hard work. I couldn't be where I am now without the Barley Prize, without the pilot stage.
What the Barley Prize presented to us was an opportunity to see how far we could push ourselves.
We spent 2 days filming at the test pilot site, and it was really amazing to see all the technology that these different teams have been developing and working on for quite a long time.
I know that they experienced some really tough weather conditions, especially with the spring melt. For us, it was hot, it was sweat. All of the contestants have something really special to offer that no matter what happens, I think they're all going to be part of the solution.
We had a chance to review our data and make some innovations from that. We also were able to get some adaptations of our technology into the commercial sector. This has already been a fantastic opportunity for us.
It has been a distinct pleasure to get to know these 9 teams, to learn about their stories and why and how they got into phosphorus removal. I'll never forget them, and I'm so excited to see what they do after the Barley Prize.
I now want to take a moment to acknowledge one team in particular. Based on the performance and almost a near statistical tie for 4th, we've decided to award our first runner-up. Please join me in recognizing Team Zero Phos of Nanjing University.
Those images of me and my students arriving on the site and so desperately waiting for our equipment to arrive, every bit of it is carved in my mind.
Our first Final 4 contestant, using iron oxide-based sorption, Team U.S. Geological Survey, Mr. Phil Cybrell. Please come up.
I feel wonderful that the technology's been validated, and I'd like to thank the Everglades Foundation for the chance to do that and demonstrate it, commercially at scales that are meaningful.
Our next pilot phase Final 4 winner, reigning all the way from the Kingdom of the Netherlands, Wetsis, Mr. Leon Corving. Leon.
In the Netherlands, we are used to working with other people all over the world. We're just a small country with 70 million people, so we know we cannot do it alone.
Our third pilot phase winner and advancing to the Final 4. Please join me in welcoming Dr. Greg Moeller from Team Clean Water Machine, the University of Idaho.
I feel wonderful. I think this gives us all an opportunity to move forward to a better future. The teams that are moving forward share a parallel path to the future, and that path is addressing these tremendous challenges that we have, where the future is better than the present.
And finally, from our home state of Wellington, Florida, Team Green Water Solution, Coast Boss, please join us on the stage.
Validation of the technology is important, and recognition. And that's exactly what the Barley Prize set out to do for us. So I think that that's very hopeful, and I would say let's start the sooner the better.
I'm without words. This is everything that we could have hoped for. We've been working towards this for so long, not just our 9 teams, but all of our partners, the staff at the Everglades Foundation, and this is really, truly a watershed moment in the history of phosphorus pollution.
The 4 remaining teams are now down from the first field of 104. They will now proceed to the final phase of the competition. These remaining 4 teams will look to treat an average of 1 million gallons per day through the varying wet and dry seasons found in America's Everglades.
So good luck to the 4 finalists who now proceed to the Grand Challenge. And if George were here, he would say, you can do it. So now on to Florida, and good luck.
So the Final 4, I've got my eye on you 4. I can't wait to see you guys in Florida, and I can't wait for us to change the world back on Lake Jessup.